So this is the Upside Down Labs counter, and we'll have a good idea today about what is going on in their counter. Tell me, sir.
Hello everyone. We designed DIY neuroscience kit for students
Right.
so that they can record their biopotential signals.
Right.
It can be EMG from their muscles, ECG from their heart, EOG from their eyes, and EEG from their brain. And we have gamified all the experiments in a way that students want to learn these kind of things. And in the process, they learn about how body creates a signal, how this signal can be used for IoT, robotics, and other applications for supported technology as well. We have some cool games here. This is our a new product that can send signals wirelessly to your computer or your mobile, and we are using this to take EOG signals, then converting into keystrokes that you can send to your mobile phone to wirelessly play a dino game just by blinking your eyes.
Just a small question. So you are the LLP company now, right?
Yes.
You are completely profit making at the moment, and you were telling me that you were incubated at which IIT was that?
IIT Mandi.
IIT Mandi. Okay, you were incubated there, right?
We were incubated there. Right
Right.
now we are bootstrapped and we generate our revenue, then put our entire revenue into generating more devices, creating more devices.
Okay.
And everything you see here is open source, open
Okay.
for all.
Okay.
You can take a look at the design files, so software files, and the
Right.
like design files for
Right.
the
So-
graphics as well.
Right. So if we can look at some of the product, the biosensors, what you were explaining some time back.
Yeah, so we have muscle biome patchy here.
Okay.
We have muscle biome blade and muscle biome candy.
So
These sensors
this
are
is
for
so
EMG.
which what is this PCB
This is
standing
for
for?
recording muscles.
Recording muscles.
These are also for recording
This is
muscles.
for what?
This is for recording ECG,
ECG, EMG. So for
EOG,
heart
EEG.
heart related.
You can
Okay.
record all four bio.
All four. So this covers all four of these. Okay.
This only records ECG.
Only ECG. And this records
This records EMG. Just
EMG.
like that.
Okay.
They are
Fine.
different form factors.
Okay. And these are the actual first strapping on to the electrodes. Okay.
So these are gel electrodes.
Gel electrodes.
Which
Okay.
conduct the signals.
Right. Okay. Okay. Right. And we can have a demonstration with
Sure.
what you were showing me.
So here basically what we are doing is we are picking up the muscle signals from my arm,
Right.
and I'll be able to control the servo clock.
Right.
So whenever
Right.
I move my arm,
Right.
I can control the clock.
Okay. So it's able to differentiate between a particular impulse, and it gives a similar impulse here.
So it's
It,
not the impulse from the environment.
Okay.
I can move the hand. It doesn't
okay. Okay.
move.
No, the
She
electrical
has to
impulse.
think.
Right.
Yeah. Send the electrical impulse to the arm, then only it will.
Right.
And there
Right.
is a thresholding as well. If it goes above a certain threshold, then only it will trigger.
Okay. Okay. And more about the, you were talking about it being open source and a lot of software online, which so you can buy the kit. If you can show the kit, what is in the kit and
So these are our kits.
okay.
This is DIY Neuroscience Kit Basic.
Okay.
This includes
What does it contain?
It includes the development board.
So this is a development board.
This includes the electrodes.
Okay.
This includes the sensor.
So
to
in this,
record.
how many electrodes are there in this? Or
This includes 24 electrodes.
24 electrodes.
Then there is a 100 pieces electrode as well.
Okay.
Then you have EEG band to wear on your brain.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have ECG band to wear on your chest.
Mm-hmm.
You have cleaning wipes.
Mhm.
You have the sensor that can record ECG, EMG, EOG, EEG.
Okay.
And you have skin preparation kit as well
Okay.
to clean the dead cells from your skin and then
Okay.
record a better signal.
Okay. And
Basically,
you have
it is a complete kit.
Complete
Who
kit.
wants to get started with learning neuroscience.
learning neuroscience.
You don't
Okay.
even need a single wire from outside. You just buy the kit and start recording.
Okay.
With the Pro kit, you also have the servo claw and the shield,
Mhm.
so you can create real world projects as well.
Okay.
With basic kit, you can only create projects on your computer.
Okay. Okay. So this is targeted typically at people in the final years of college and all. Who will this be targeted at? Specific
Students
target.
from 6th class are also using our
Acha,
kits.
from 6th class already. Right. Okay. Okay. And what are the login you were saying? You were mentioning some organization.
Robo.in.
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 Robo.in. Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, our all kits are available on robo.in.
So,
yeah.
If you
And
go
we
to
have-
robo.in, you can log in for the software element, correct?
No, the kits.
The
you
kit
can-
itself. The
yeah.
kit itself you get at robo.in. Okay.
So are you selling it here as well? How much is the price? Price?
For the basic, it's 5899. You get 20% off using that coupon. The Pro is 8799. Again, you get 20% off using that.
And if you want to know more about our kits, you can directly reach us out, or you
Yeah.
can just go through the brochure.
Okay. Thank you.
There are projects, step-by-step guides. If you scan this, you will find the step-by-step guide to create all these projects.
Okay. Not so. Thank you.
Have a
And
good
these are being manufactured by you all locally.
Yes.
These are not
So
imported.
we design the PCB here in India.
Okay.
In New Delhi.
Okay.
We get the PCBs manufactured sometimes in India, sometimes from China.
Okay.
We assemble everything here in India. We manufacture these cables here in India.
Okay.
So only the PCBs are being manufactured from outside sometimes. Everything else is built here and manufactured.
So it's complying with the Make in India
Yes.
whole
For
objective.
that you need 70% or more raw material to build the product.
For the Make in India
for
scheme.
The Make in, and
Okay.
all of the products we have here are Make in India compatible.
Okay, fine. So for more information, I'll put your contact number and email in the detail description, and do feel free to get in touch. Of course, there's a lot of online presence, but nonetheless, thank you.
you.
Pleasure
Have a good
speaking
one.
to you all. Yeah.